Hi, it's the Emporia SMART.5 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's launch the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. Here you'll see logged in Gmail account in Gmail app, and if you want to log out from the Gmail application, you should first log out from Google account on your device. And to do that, we should click to manage accounts on this device, tap to your account and click to remove account. Then confirm your action to tap to remove account again. Now just in Google account settings we have no any logged in accounts, so let's go back to the application and we can see that in application we also successfully log out from Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.